Well, thanks for opting in. I went ahead and got your free software account set up, so you can just go ahead and check your email address, and you'll see you have access to the software that we're giving you for free for life, regardless of whether you take advantage of this amazing offer right here or not. But since you're here, I wanted to give you a limited offer that allows you to get your software accounts upgraded and also allows me to actually break even, so this trip to the Affiliate Summit didn't actually cost me any money. So let me go over what's included in this offer. Alright, so as you can see, I'm giving you a limited amount of time. This is just, a few days after the Affiliate Summit closes and everybody's done. So this is actually until Sunday or until Monday at midnight. After this offer will disappear. But here's what I'm giving you if you go ahead and take this offer. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade your Frame Connector account to the full Pro version, which allows you to do things like use negative keywords and filter by gender and filter by country, which allows you to have even more targeted leads. I'm going to go ahead and actually upgrade your Link Wizard account to the full Pro version that we normally charge $197 a month for, which is just going to now give you unlimited links and lots of other features in the software. And more importantly, I'm going to upgrade your Chirply account to the Platinum level, which is a level that we charge $997 a month for, which is going to give you unlimited use of everything. You'll have no limits and no restrictions in the software. This will actually really help you. And I'm also going to give you a bonus software called Genius Messenger CRM, which will actually turn your personal Facebook Messenger into a full-blown CRM and lead tracking system, so that you can make sure that you're following up with all your leads. You can send broadcast messages out to everybody. Very valuable software that we charge $47 a month for. So you can see the different price options I'm giving you here. You can go ahead and take the monthly option here, or you can take the yearly option here, which is going to save you some money. Or if you want, there are a limited number of these. I'm only making 10 available. You can take the one-time payment deal for the first 10 people. So if you're interested in taking this deal and getting all your accounts upgraded and getting some amazing software upgraded to the unlimited levels and getting this bonus software, just pick your plan here, fill out this form right here, and click this button. You should note that there is a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're no longer interested in the software, just let us know. I'll give you your money back. However, if you're not interested in upgrading at all and you just want to take your free gifts and run, just go ahead and click this link right here that I'm kicking around, and then you can be done here.